Exactly how you expected. Exactly how you expected. Welcome to Quavertv. I'm Quavertv. Let's talk about plants, not factory plants, not industry-built products, not test tubes and tractors. I'm talking about real plants. Plants that grow from the earth. Plants designed by Yahweh himself. Herbs, fruits, seeds, roots. Life created to nourish life. But what we've been eating, that's not creation. That's corruption. So, corn doesn't look like it once did. It's been genetically altered, selectively bred, stripped of its wild origins. Real corn was hard, dry, dark-colored, with almost no sugar. Bananas had seeds, thick, black, unmissable. Today's are sterile, cloned, and shallow. Strawberries were once tiny, acidic, rich with medicine. Now they're bloated, watery, and empty. Now they're bloated, watery, and empty. Carrots were originally purple, full of anthocyanins, healing compounds. But they were bred to be orange for political symbolism, not health. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, all man-made from wild cabbage, not separate creations. Apples are bred for size and sweetness, coated in wax, sprayed with over 20 chemicals, and still marketed as nature's best. Onions and garlic have been bred for storage and bulk, sprayed in the fields, and sometimes irradiated. But the original design, the medicine, is still there. When they're grown clean, without chemicals, they remain two of the most powerful plants Yahweh gave us. Tomatoes. Hybridized beyond recognition. Tomatoes. Hybridized beyond recognition. Engineered to resist bruising, not to nourish. Potatoes. Modified for shape, shelf life, and disease resistance. Not for human benefit. Wheat, once the grain of life, is now a trigger for inflammation, brain fog, and autoimmune disease. The original variety, einkorn, had a different genetic structure. But that's not what's in your bread. Not what's in your pasta. And cucumbers seedless, grapes seedless, watermelon seedless. Do you see the pattern? Seedless means lifeless. Yahweh said the seed is in the fruit. No seed, it's not fruit, it's a mutation. And it doesn't stop there. It's a mutation. And it doesn't stop there. It's a mutation. And it doesn't stop there. Stop there. Stop there. Rice has been modified to grow faster. Soy has been manipulated to produce more oil. Even garlic and onions, if they're grown commercially, are treated like shelf-stable units, not sacred plants. But when raised clean, the power is still in them. That's how merciful Yahweh is. Then they take what's left and cover it in poison. Pesticides, herbicides, fungicides. Engineered to kill, not feed. You don't wash it off. It's inside the plant. It's part of the root. You're eating molecules of death with every bite of what was once living food. And after they poison it, they wrap it in plastic. No plastic grows from the soil. No plastic drips from trees. It's synthetic. Dead. But it touches every single thing we eat. It leaches. It lingers. It enters the body. And it doesn't leave. Plastic in the blood. Plastic in the womb. Plastic in the brain. Plastic in the brain. Plastic in the brain. Yahweh made the body. Plastic in the brain. Yahweh made the body from dust, not petroleum. Even meat has been corrupted. Plastic in the brain. Animals raised in captivity, fed corn, soy, antibiotics, and hormones. Mechanically separated, chemically washed, restructured, and flavored. Beef with pork enzymes, chicken injected with saline, turkey spliced with pig fat, labeled hiding behind phrases like natural flavor and enzyme blend. The Torah says not to eat swine, but they hide it inside your chicken. Fun? Lab-grown meat is here now. Cloned flesh with no spirit. No bone. No bone. No bloodline. No breath of life. Flesh born of wires and machines and petri dishes. Machines and petri dishes. The beast system. Dishes. Petri dishes. The beast system wants to feed you artificial life, and they call it clean. And marijuana? A sacred plant given by Yahweh. Once balanced, once powerful. It's now overbred, feminized, stripped of seed, covered in heavy metal, mold, chemical residue. Grown under false light. Grown for THC highs, not healing. Grown for profit. Sold as culture. But spiritually, it's been gutted. And when this system makes you sick, it won't offer you herbs. It won't offer you prayer. It won't offer you rest. It offers you pills, synthetic drugs, man-made mimics of God's creation. God's creation. But they don't heal. They silence. They suppress. 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 They sedate. Revelation 18:23 says, "For by thy sorceries were all nations deceived." That word sorceries, pharmakeia, that's pharmacy, that's modern medicine. They took the leaf, corrupted it, patented it, and sold it back with a warning label. But Yahweh already told us what to eat. Genesis 1:29, every herb bearing seed, every fruit with seed in it. Leviticus 11 tells you exactly what's clean and unclean. Eat animals that chew the cud and have split hooves. Cattle, sheep, goats, deer. Do not eat the pig. It has a split hoof, but does not chew the cud. Do not eat the rabbit. Do not eat the camel. Do not eat the rock badger. They chew the cud, but do not have split hooves. They are unclean. From the waters, eat only fish with both fins and scales. That means salmon, sardines, trout. Don't eat shrimp, don't eat crab, don't eat lobster, don't eat catfish, no clams, no oysters, no scallops. If it doesn't have fins and scales, Yahweh said it's unclean. Do not eat scavenger birds. No vultures, no eagles, no hawks, no falcons, no seagulls, no bats. Do not eat reptiles or amphibians. No snakes, no lizards, no frogs, no insects except for a few clean locust species. The rest are off limits. Ezekiel 47:12 says the fruit is for food and the leaves are for healing. Psalm 104:14 says he causes herbs to grow. Herbs to grow for the service of man. Revelation 22:2 says the leaves are for the healing of the nations. For the healing of the nations. These aren't metaphors, they're instructions. Some of the most powerful, God-given foods we still have access to. Wild blueberries, garlic, onions, black grapes with seeds, pomegranates, dates, figs, lentils, barley, ancient grains, raw honey, extra virgin olive oil, clean fish with fins and scales, grass-fed lamb, pasture-raised goat, herbs like dandelion, nettle, mint, turmeric, and bitter roots. These aren't just ingredients, they're instructions. Every one of them follows the design of the Creator. They bring life, not just energy. Clarity, not confusion. Order, not decay. The enemy wants to feed you lab creations. Dead fruit, plastic flesh, poisoned plants, pills instead of prayer. But Yahuwah already gave you everything you need. So if you can grow it, grow it. If you can find it, bless it. If you can share it, teach it. Well, that's interesting. Thanks for watching Quavertv. Until next time, try to enjoy the daylight.